Alright, today we are going to learn how to change the output speed sensor on a 2011 Chevrolet HHR, which is going to be right behind this front right wheel. Number 62 there, output speed sensor. I haven't had to change it, but you can make a mental note of number 46. And there they both are, both on the transmission. 62 is the one we're going to be dealing with today. Here's the parts you'll need. This is actually off the advanced site. I don't know if that part number carries over, but sure you can cross-reference. But this is an exact fit, 2011. I always remove the battery terminal. If you're messing with something with the computers, you're going to have to reset it anyway. Wheel's off already. You go right in here. There you can see it's got the wires hooked up to it. You just pinch the clips on the wire and it just comes right off, very easy. You're going to need a 10mm deep well socket. I've already broke it loose, so now I'm just hand twisting the nut, getting it off. There you can kind of see it. And then it just pops out after you've removed that nut and that bolt. There it is. Put the new one back in. You just kind of push it in. You will hear a click. Then you can see on this bolt, you want to twist that bolt in until it stops twisting. Then you can start tightening down the nut. As a side note, and this here, as you can see, is the wires put back on it. But as a side note, I will tell you, if you're having an ABS, traction light, error code, this actually happened to me. They told me it was the speed sensor. No, it is not. It's the ABS sensor, which is actually part of your wheel hub. This is the, as I said, the output speed sensor, which is something entirely different. That does not cause your ABS light or traction light to mess up. What this will actually do is cause the car to jerk. It'll also cause your speedometer to be quite erratic. It even caused mine to tell me the parking brake was on and that I was moving even though I was in park. The speedometer was jumping while I was in park. So this will fix that kind of problem, and hope it's been a help to you.